everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft Teams not working in Windows 11. There are plenty of solutions, and the first one you should take in consideration is to update the app. If you have problems with Teams, try to open it up, then click on the three dots button, then select the Check for Updates option. And then the app will automatically search for any updates and install them right away. Another useful solution is to check for Windows updates. To do this, press the Windows button, then type in Update and select the Check for Updates option from the search result. In here, just press the blue button that says Check for Updates, and if there are any updates available, Windows will install them right away. Another great solution is to disable and re-enable the graphics driver. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the context list. In here, expand the Display Adapters section and right-click the problematic driver and select the Disable Device option. This might interfere with your display, so make sure to re-enable the driver as soon as possible. You can also try deleting the app's cache. To do this, go to the Windows Explorer or this PC and then type the following path in the Navigation tab. In here, delete all the contents from the following folders: Blob, Storage, Cache, Databases, GPU cache, local storage, and TMP. And after this procedure, just try opening Teams again and see if it works properly. Otherwise, another great solution is to use the dedicated troubleshooter. Click the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and in here make sure to select System on the left pane, then scroll down on the right pane until you find and select the Troubleshoot category. Next, choose Other Troubleshooters from the menu, and in here scroll down until you find Windows Store Apps. Then hit the Run button that is located right by its side, and if the system finds any problems, it will suggest a solution and fix it. And another great solution is to repair and reset the app. To do this, press the Windows button and select the settings icon, and in here pick Apps from the left pane and choose Apps and Features from the right pane. Now scroll down until you find Microsoft Teams and click the three dots button from the right side and select Advanced Options. Remember that here you also have the option to uninstall the app, which can be the ultimate resort in these situations. In the advanced options, you can scroll down until you find the Reset section, which contains both the repair and reset procedures. Proceed in order and see if the problem still persists. And that's it. Plenty of solutions to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.